Hello, my name is Red Crow Dawn. My birth name is Richard Edward Douglas. I wanted to make a video today on my family history. Trying to find the right location is a little trying. But here we go. Okay. Let's see. Douglas history. In Gaelic, D-U-B-H, I'm not sure how that's pronounced, means black, and gloss means gray. These are the main shades used in the tartan, in which I happen to be wearing. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, it's not important. The earliest recorded Douglas seems to be William of Douglas, whose name appears as a witness to charters between 1175 and 1211 around Lanarkshire, Lanarkshire, however that's pronounced. I apologize. There's a lot of things I'm not familiar with the pronunciation of, so you'll have to bear it with me. Let's see. But from whom he was descended is unknown. Regarding the origin of this immensely powerful family is the saying, "Men have seen the stream, but what eye have ever beheld its source?" I'm not sure exactly what that means, but I digress. William's son was Archibald Douglas, who had a prosperous existence before vanishing in 1239. His son, Sir Andrew, founded the senior cadet branch of the Douglas family, while his other son fathered the good Sir James. The good Sir James was the greatest captain under Robert the Bruce in the War of Independence, and is held as the third of Scotland's finest patriots, only after Bruce and William Wallace. During these times, the House of Douglas had expanded in its power and properties enormously. He was killed by the Moors in Spain in 1330 while attempting to reach the Holy Lands, where his King Robert had requested on his deathbed that his heart be buried. His son was slain at the Battle of Halidon Hill by the English in 1333, as was Sir Archibald. So it was Archibald's son William who became the first Earl of Douglas in 1358, and also Earl of Mar through marriage. When he was killed at Otterburn in 1388, the second proper line of the Black Douglases had ended. However, Sir James had also left an illegitimate son, Archibald the Grim, who took his half-brother's place and became the third Earl of Douglas. He was greatly respected and died in 1400. His son, the fourth Earl, died fighting the English with Francis Charles, V and two lines. I'm not really familiar with Roman numerals. And his young grandsons were tricked and murdered in Edinburgh Castle by family enemies. James the seventh Earl was a violent man and created many enemies to his son's cost. The 8th Earl was stabbed to death by King